Perfect. Look at this guy. He walked right back out. Come on, Jakey, get on the video, boy. Say hi to YouTube.
What's up?
Ovi's mic'd up. This sucker is brand new. Did it come with the plastic? We got one water heater here. You guys need a water heater.
Air compressor.
Oh yeah, air compressor. Going on, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back or to the channel. I am completely freaked out making this video because it has been so long in the making. Months of progress, months of keeping it on the down low, keeping it hushed, and tried to keep this thing a secret, and it's finally here. I feel like I'm going to forget a majority of everything I'm going to try to explain in this video, but this is the big truck reveal, the 2021 L5P Ultimate Denali Edition AT4. We got all kinds of different names for it. You go ahead and pick one out for us, but this thing is truly unique, one of a kind, and it's just gonna be super epic. If you guys are good, remember when Duramax Jack was on the come up, and before he would release any of the new truck, either the giveaways or the build plans, he would always leak them and people would try to pick up on it in the comments. I was just wondering if any of you guys had picked up on this one at all. A couple different things. If you do follow Ovi on Snapchat, you might have caught a story that he posted about me giving him crap about always leaking stuff, because he does, whether it be on accident or on purpose. So yeah, that's a little plug to add him, but it's also just wanted to see if any of you guys caught it in that snap. Also in the Ranger post to sell that, he had it in the background there, and then on the trailer app video on the white trailer here, I accidentally leaked it when I was panning through the shop. You might have seen it there. So I don't know if you guys are into it that much or anything. If you're new, if this is your first time here, please check out some of our other content. We got all kinds of goodies. I'm geeked out of my mind to show you guys the truck reveal. We just wanted to get this in front of you because we do have an entire series coming on this. If you're watching this late, there may already be a playlist out there. You can go check that out. But we're gonna dive into this thing, man. It's so incredible. This happened to just come up as one of those opportunities that Ovi had come through the shop. As a shop owner, a lot of trucks come through with problems, with issues, and then Ovi has a chance to, you know, tell them what it's gonna cost to fix it, or a lot of times a chance for him to buy it himself, and that's exactly what happened here. This truck was wrecked. Low mileage truck somehow, but it was wrecked, totaled in fact, and being rebuilt. I believe it still might have a clean title, but it needed a ton of work, and you're gonna see in the series here what all has been done to change this from a base model truck into the ultimate, you know, the ultimate. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's just a unique package, and you're gonna see that in the video. This truck came through, and it was an opportunity for Ovi to scoop this up super cheap, and he was thinking about it. He showed me a picture, and you know, thought about it overnight, and I texted him in the morning. I said, hey, by the way, if you don't buy that white truck, I'm going to. He said, dude, I bought it last night. I'm like, are you kidding me? And then things just progressed and progressed. Hey, do you think I should do the interior? What do you think I should do on the exterior? And one thing led to another. Next thing I know, he's going all out like he likes to, and it's just been so cool. So like I said, we're gonna do videos on the entire interior of this truck, the entire exterior of this truck. We have sponsors coming through. Big shout out to our sponsors on there, HSP, Boost Auto, everybody that's worked with us, Load Trail, Blessed Performance. The list goes on and on. Thank each and every one of you for clicking on this video, for motivating us to continue to bring this stuff to the channel for you guys to enjoy with us. So I don't want to come across as we're trying to flex on you or be better than anybody else. We just have a strong passion for these vehicles, as I'm sure you do. So I'll quit rambling. We're gonna go inside the shop and check this sucker out. Actually, you guys want to do a cool little montage first? Let's get that on in 3, 2, 1, go! stepping into the shop here. We got the bay door open today, but there is some kitchen stuff going in for the outdoor kitchen. Ovi's always wrenching on something. There is the Razor Pro all tricked out. If you haven't seen that video, did an entire series on that, and we got the Ranger up for sale. You guys can buy that. I don't know by the time this video comes out if it's still going to be available or not, but go ahead and shoot us an offer if you want to scoop that up on the low. I believe you wanted 10.5 for it. Look at that sweet thing on 22s and 35s. And we got the new project back there. I believe Boost Auto's hiding it for us. Thank you guys for doing that. We won't get into that. And I keep showing off the dang truck. I'm terrible. Let me go ahead and walk around here, guys. But here it is, the 2021 base model truck that's been totally redone. Look at this L5P with the Vader chrome grille. The paint matched bumper just looks absolutely incredible. I believe there's a bunch of junk out here. You can see the old bumper. I'm kind of giving you a teaser of what this thing started with, and you'll see as we go. A bunch of junk out there, all the old stuff. Let me know if you want it, but let's get back in here and see this thing because it is just a work of art. Look at how menacing it is. Those headlights, the paint on that bumper, and that Vader chrome grille that was hard to find, by the way, and I believe there is a blemish on it somewhere. I'm not sure where, but that was a used grill. Hard to find because they're so new. I don't even know what year the Ultimates came out. I think not till like 24, but anyways, you guys already know it's got the forces on them. Look at that, the 24x12s on amp tires. Just looks absolutely incredible. We did a whole video on that, so you guys already know that. And the paint match suspension from PNC Coatings just looks absolutely hot on there. Ovi painted these. Got the side markers on there, LEDs. This thing lights up so super crazy. We also got the Ultimate, the fake Ultimate. You know, we know it's not a real Ultimate, but who's judging, right? That just looks so killer. Ovi painted the mirrors himself. They look so sick lit up at night, especially with the white trailer behind it. Goes crazy. Still need to find door handles for it. We're gonna get to that. And there is maybe some panels on it that don't line up perfectly from the rebuild. Somebody had already originally built it, and then Ovi's just been working on it ever since. So not a ton of body work's been done on it just yet. More just replacing things and upgrading them to the newer, higher end stuff. So anyways, here's the rear end. You can see the leaves, white and teal, as everything's got to match. Just looks so dang hot. You can still see the truck's not perfectly clean yet. Tail lights, a little crack there, still need done. Let's come around the side. Yep, there's a trailer hitch, all white. That looks great. Believe this is the new tailgate because the other one had a big gouge in it there. Obviously still need a tail light there. It's always Christmas around here. Big shout out to Boost Auto Parts. You guys get on there for all your running boards, all your mirrors, everything they got on there, cab lights, which we're gonna do on this thing. But yeah, let's try to sneak around the tree here if we can, guys. Now, here you can see this side here. Still needs a step, so again, I wanted to have one of them big Stradman reveals, but we ain't got the budget for it. Blew it all on the truck, go figure. I'm just kidding, I'm just messing with you guys. And then the AT4, Ovi went ahead and upgraded the interior to the AT4 seats. All new carpeting, had to wait forever for that to come in, but you can see how hot this style seat with the black and the tan just looks so crazy together. We're still waiting on a headliner. Had a good deal on one, waited, and then by the time we rechecked it, it was gone, sold. And new ones are like 1,200 bucks. That just seems high for a headliner. So still needs a headliner, but that's okay because it gives us time to get the Boost Auto cab lights in there. But here's the driver's side. You can see. Try to get up in there, boy. So again, this was all base, so the entire display screen here was replaced with a new, or with the higher end one, and had to be reprogrammed. But you can see, wow, looks crazy. There's the big screen. Absolutely insane. This is from Autotech, so got this custom Apple CarPlay one. Look at how insane this is, guys. Unbelievable. Got maps, got music, movies, Bluetooth, all the good stuff in here. Upgraded steering wheel, of course. See if it'll fire up. Oh yeah, she fires up and just purrs. Stock for now. We got some under the hood stuff coming for this thing at some point, but look at this bad boy. Interior's crazy. This is all new. It's all done. You're gonna see it in the series. Here, shut up, noisy thing. I just want to show you guys a little bit without saying too much. This is just the reveal, kind of the initial go around. We'll see more. Close that up. The forces, boy. The paint matching. It just goes crazy. And look at the theme, guys. Obviously, the Razor with the lighting, matching the truck. Got to match the trailer. Just looks so freaking hot. Getting stuck in there. That's all right. And windshield got a little crack in it. Needs the new S-Series cab lights from Boost, which I believe are on the floor. Trying to act as a wedge to hold up the steel there. But yeah, guys, what do you think of this project? It's gonna be killer. We just had to get this in front of you. We couldn't hide it from you any longer because we want to get some content rolling on it. Build some excitement for the series because we're gonna be going over this thing a lot more in detail. So this is your first look. And yeah, hope you're excited as we are because this is epic. All right, guys, so we will leave you with that for now. Like I said, short, sweet, and to the point. This is just to get you guys excited for the series. It just looks so crazy in here, the fake Denali. We got to come up with a name for it, but it is so epic for a fraction of the cost of an Ultimate for real. Obviously, these things go for what, 80, 90, close to 100,000, and this thing ain't even close to anywhere near there. It just goes to show you if you're willing to put in a little work, buy something used, buy a lower trim level truck, and try to upgrade the parts as you go. They can get pricey, so you gotta watch, but if you're willing to take your time, wait for the deals to come up, put some, you know, little elbow grease in yourself and make things out of nothing, you have crazy returns like this, and it's just so freaking cool. So big shout out to Ovi. I feel bad, you know, a lot of times showing off his stuff for him, but he don't really care about being in the videos. He has a lot of fun just watching the series. He said, go ahead and tell him it's your truck for all I care. I'm like, dude, I would never do that, but it is so freaking cool. And thank you guys and everybody that's been a part. There's been a lot of guys over here wrenching, grabbing the camera, helping out to make this thing come to life. And thank you guys for keeping it a secret for months at a time until now, but the big secret's out. Go ahead and follow the build on Instagram too, the channel. We upload a lot of things on there, behind the scenes, clips from this video, whatever. It's on there. Follow us, reach out. We love you guys so much, but we will see you guys in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.